Okay, today we were working on regrouping uncommon denominators. And one of the things that we were doing was we were actually subtracting these numbers from one another. And they came up pretty odd because you can't take 13 from 3. So we'd have to obviously do some regrouping in order to do that. So what we did is first of all, we had to find the common denominator. And the first thing we did was, the first way we did that was by multiplying both of these numbers times 3. And when we multiply both of these numbers times 3, we ended up with 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 times 5 is 15. And so that ended up being 10 over, and let me erase that so that you can see that a little bit better. It ends up being 10, our new number ended up being 10, and 9 over 15 minus 6 and 13 over 15. And then let's see if you can see that too good. Let's see if we can get that straightened out. 13. Okay, 13 over 15. So that's what we ended up with. But we still have a problem because you can't take 13 from 9 because 13 is greater than 9. So what we have to do is we have to go over to the 10 and borrow. So let's do that. We borrow from the 10, and let's cross out the 10. And we're going to remake that again. That's going to be 9. And then this is going to be one of these numbers that we borrowed from the 10 really is going to be equivalent to 15. So we're going to take that 15 and add it to the 9, and that's going to end up being 24 over 15. And then we have 6 and 13. We just copied down what we had before over 15. And if we do the subtraction, 13 minus 24 minus 13 ends up being, 11 over 15. And if we do the subtraction for the 9 minus 6, we're going to end up being 3. So our new number ends up being 3 and 11 over 15. And I hope that this really helps you to know how to regroup uncommon denominators.